Hi everyone, welcome to Brian's Outdoor Office. Today I will charge my car to 86% battery, which gives me a standard range of 370 km according to the iCaur onboard computer. Today, I'm going to do a journey based on a single charge to drop my kids in Sunway College from my home and then going down south to a beach area to play with my drone, do some shooting, and then back to Sunway College to pick up my kids, and then back home. So total distance I calculated based on Google Map is about 250 km plus maybe 10-20 km extra for me to explore a few beach area. So I was estimating around 260-270 km. Based on 370 km of the standard range in the computer, I think it should be enough for me to go and come back in one charge. Let's do a one charge challenge to see how accurate is this computer calculation and what it is on the real life. Okay, just drop my kids to Sunway College. Now, let's go to Port Dickson. It's about 100 km. 1 hour and 28 minutes. Now I have 82% battery. From the estimation in iCaur V23 is 353 km to go. See the beach? It's beautiful. Okay, I'm leaving this small town Pasir Panjang. So it's about 1 hour 55 minutes because of the traffic of peak hour. I have 51% battery left, which the standard range is 220 km and going back home is 115 km. I think it should be safely arrived without any problem, even with traffic jam. Okay, finally I arrived home. As you can see, I left about 16% of battery.
and now I start charging my car. So in total, I actually use up 70% battery for this entire journey. As total, I travel about 250 kilometers, which means 70% battery in iCaur can give me 250 kilometers in a real life driving condition. This means when you see a 430 kilometer on standard range on board, that actually represents the actual range of 350 kilometer only.